Hello, my dear students. In the last class, we have already discussed about non-covalent interaction. We know a non-covalent interaction differs from a covalent bond. That is, it does not involve the sharing of electrons, but rather involves more dispersed variations of electromagnetic interactions between molecules or within molecules. Non-covalent interactions are classified into different types: electrostatic interactions, van der Waals forces, pi effects, and hydrophobic effects. In the last class, we have already discussed about electrostatic interactions and van der Waals forces. Today, we are going to discuss about pi effects and hydrophobic effects. We know non-covalent bond is found in mostly between macromolecules. Here, there is no sharing of electron pairs, but the non-covalent bonds tend to be weaker than covalent bonds. Non-covalent interactions are classified into mainly four types: electrostatic interaction, pi effects, van der Waals forces, and hydrophobic effects. Here, electrostatic interactions and van der Waals forces are already discussed in the last class. Today, we will going to discuss about pi effects and hydrophobic effects. Pi effects are associated with the interactions of molecules with the pi system of conjugated molecules such as benzene. Pi effects can be classified into numerous categories. The main classification include pi-pi interactions, cation pi and anion pi interactions, and polar pi interactions. Firstly, pi-pi interactions. Pi-pi interactions are associated with the interaction between pi orbitals of a molecular system. The high polarizability of aromatic rings lead to dispersive interactions as major contribution to so-called stacking effects. These play a major role for interactions of nucleobases, for example in DNA. For example, a benzene ring with its fully conjugated pi cloud will interact in two major ways and one minor way with a neighboring benzene ring through a pi-pi interactions. These are displaced, edge-to-edge, and sandwich. The two major ways that benzene stacks are edge-to-edge and displaced. The edge-to-edge with an enthalpy of 2 kilocalorie per mole, and the displaced with an enthalpy of approximately 2.3 kilocalorie per mole. Sandwich configuration is the minor way. It is not a favorable interaction compared to displaced or edge-to-edge due to high electrostatic repulsion of the electrons in the pi orbitals. Another type of pi effects is cation pi and anion pi interaction. Cation pi interactions involve the positive charge of a cation interacting with the electrons in a pi system of a molecule. This is a strong interaction. For example, the sodium ion can easily sit atop the pi cloud of a benzene molecule with C6 symmetry. Anion pi interactions are very similar to cation pi interactions. Here, an anion sits atop an electron-poor pi system, usually established by the placement of electron withdrawing substituents on the conjugated molecule. Here, a benzene interacts with an anion X- is shown in the figure. Another type of pi effects is polar pi interactions. It involves molecules with permanent dipole interacting with the quadrupole moment of a pi system. Polar pi interactions are not strong as a cation pi interactions. These interactions can be quite strong and are commonly involved in protein folding and crystallinity of solids containing both hydrogen bonding and pi system. Any molecule with a hydrogen bond donor will have favorable electrostatic interactions with the electron-rich pi system of a conjugated molecule. Another type of non-covalent interaction is hydrophobic effect. The hydrophobic effect is the desire for non-polar molecules to aggregate in aqueous solutions in order to separate from water. This phenomenon leads to minimum exposed surface area of nonpolar molecules to the polar water molecules and is commonly used in biochemistry to study protein folding and other various biological phenomena. The major driving force in protein folding is the hydrophobic effect. This is the tendency for hydrophobic molecules to isolate themselves from contact with water. As a consequence, during protein folding, the hydrophobic side chains becomes buried in the interior of the protein. Here, the dispersion of lipid molecule in water is shown. It leads to an increase in order when water molecule adjacent to each lipid molecule align themselves such that the hydrophobic tails are surrounded by the hydrogen atoms of water. The aggregation of lipid molecule into a lipid bilayer structure leads to a decrease in order, a more entropically favored state. Hydrophobic effect is also commonly seen when mixing various oils and water. Over time, oil sitting on top of water will begin to aggregate into large flattened spheres from smaller droplets and leading to a film of oil sitting atop a pool of water. Ionic interaction, hydrophobic interaction, and hydrogen bonds are shown in the diagram. By seeing this, we can clearly understand the difference between these three interactions. Today, we have discussed about two types of non-covalent interaction, pi effects and hydrophobic effects. In the next class, we will discuss about molecular recognition. Thank you.